Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new post on Pinterest. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pinterest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pinterest website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your credentials to proceed into your account. Once you have been taken into your account, you will see various different images that you might like. Now, in order to create a new post, just click on the Create button at the top left corner. You will now be taken into the Create page, where you will be allowed to upload a file from your PC or simply drag and drop. Once you upload your image, if you wish, you can make some edits by tapping on the edit icon, and you can do a few more edits. You can then tap on the Done button once you are done editing, and now you will be able to add your title as well as description. After you add your title and description, you can also add your link if you have one. Then choose a board that you want to publish this image under, which is sort of like a category. After choosing your board or creating one, you can enter the tags within the tag section. You can also look at more options to set comment and similar products display option. Finally, click on the Publish button and your post will be created right away, and this pin will be published under your selected board. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a post on Pinterest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.